seen in China, Samsung announced a new device. The new phone is a Samsung W20 5G and it is unlike other phones in the China exclusive W series. It is also Samsung's first phone to be powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. Samsung W20 Design. The W series is a smartphone line that packs flatter specs in the alt clamshell design. The series is known for its dual displays, alphanumeric keypad, and expensive price tag. For the W20, Samsung has made some big changes but has kept the costly price tag. The inner screen is now one enormous flexible touchscreen display that can be folded. You still have an outer screen, but it is larger than we have seen on the previous models. While the Samsung W20 looks nothing like its predecessors in terms of the design, it is actually not a new device as it is just a rebranded Galaxy Fold 5G phone for China. Samsung W20 specifications. The phone has a 4.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 720 by 1680 display on the outside. When unfolded, you are greeted with a 7.3-inch flexible Super AMOLED display with a 1536 by 2152 display and HDR10 support. This is Samsung's first phone to come with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a higher clocked version of the processor inside the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy S10 series. There is 12GB of RAM and it is matched with a more than sufficient 512GB of storage. The inner display cutoffs at the top right corner for a 10MP plus 8MP dual camera combo, while the back of the phone is home to a 12MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide angle camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera. At the top of the smaller display is a 10MP camera for selfies and video calls. On the right frame of the phone are the volume rocker, power button, and the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. A USB-C port and a primary microphone at the bottom left of the device, while the bottom right is home to the speakers. The SIM tray is on the left frame. The Samsung W20 5G has a dual-cell battery with a combined capacity of 4235 mAh. It supports reverse wireless charging, so owners can use it to wirelessly charge their other devices. There are dual AKG tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience while watching movies or playing games. The W20 5G supports only China Unicom and China Telecom NSA networks. It does not support SA networks. Samsung ships the phone with One UI and their VIP service is provided along with the purchase of the phone. You also get a free pair of Galaxy Buds and a leather calfskin case. However, there is no information on the price, but Samsung did say it will go on sale in December.